What is for brunch today? Today we have 4 beef cubes. We have pepper, garlic, onion, and some smoked maple seasoning on them. And then I'm going to add 3 eggs, and then also going to add some chia seeds. And that will be my brunch. I may have one of these as well because I did walk 4 miles today, so I might have one of these to help hold me over until probably 5 o'clock when I eat again. Even though these aren't super healthy, I mean, some say they're better than others, but I am going to add 2 slices of cheese, or as I like to call it, 1% cheese, 99% sawdust. If you know, you know. Delicious.